Baking cheesecake without a water bath? Is that even possible? How does one possibly bake a cheesecake without a water bath? As a rule of thumb, the more useful a water bath is, the more filling in the pan. Keep in mind that cheesecakes are less than 6 inches in diameter. Likewise, the depth is under 2 inches. Though several people consider that cheesecake is pie, tart, or cake, you should refer to it as baked custard. In that regard, you can make custard with thickened eggs. Moreover, a perfect cheesecake should have a flat top, creamy at the center, and be exceedingly smooth. Also, quite firm near the crust. In most cases, you bake cheesecake in a bath of warm water. Doing this is essential since it insulates the outer edge. Besides, it gives the center time to cook completely. However, it is not always necessary. Baking cheesecake without water bath. The good thing is that it is indeed possible to create cheesecake without a water bath. However, the final product will not be as great, and it will overbake. Not only that, but also it gives lopsided tops, curdled texture, and crack in the surface. Also, keep in mind that cheesecake is not a cake. In this regard, it is custard on a graham cracker crust. Remember, custards do well when you bake them slow and low. Besides, a water bath preserves the smooth and rich texture of baked custard. There are many cheesecakes you do not need a water bath to make. These are no-bake cheesecake, lemon cheesecake, and pressure cooker cheesecake. No-bake cheesecake does not need a water bath. In addition to that, it does not need an oven. Moreover, you do not need to bake pressure cooker cheesecake since you steam it. Besides, the pressure cooker cheesecake itself is the water bath. Likewise, you can steam lemon cheesecake in the oven. What exactly is a water bath? Essentially, a water bath is a pan of heated water that surrounds the pan with the cheesecake. In addition to that, it serves as a buffer for heat. As a result, the custard will bake evenly and gently. Likewise, you can refer to a water bath as a bain-marie. Moreover, it would help if the pan you use for the water bath is bigger than the springform pan. That is why it is best to have a space of 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Ensure to have this between the two pans. Additionally, it must hold sufficient water to come halfway up the side of the springform pan. Cheesecake water bath alternative. It would be best if you improvised, supposing you do not have a big round cake pan or a rectangular roasting pan. Bear in mind that an 8-inch or 9-inch round springform pan will not fit in a 9x13 pan. So with that, you can purchase a big foil pan to utilize as a water bath. Because of this, ensure to set it on a firm baking sheet to support all the weight. Tips. First and foremost, make sure to pour from a kettle. Doing this makes it easier to pour the boiling water into that pan without spilling it. For this reason, ensure to boil the water in a kettle if you have one. Likewise, please ensure to use boiling water when you add it to the pan. Besides, it takes time to heat hot tap water. For this reason, it delays the baking time. Not only that, but also it causes uneven baking. Cheesecakes usually pull away a bit from the side of the cake pan if it is okay. Likewise, the cheesecake filling might jiggle like a jello mold. However, it will not slosh around all wavy-like. In addition to that, you can insert a table knife in the middle of the filling. Because of this, it should give resistance. And it will come out with some chunky streaks. But ensure it is not runny liquid. Furthermore, never overmix since it can cause the cream cheese to separate. Also, maintain the speed low when mixing the batter. Doing this controls how much air you incorporate. Moreover, scrape the bowl down repeatedly. Because of this, it makes sure that it combines well and prevents it from being lumpy. In addition to that, never overfill the crust. With that, do not let batter go above the crust's edges. Finally, keep in mind to turn off the oven and open it for about 15 minutes. As a result, it lets the cheesecake cool gradually. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.